So hello everyone, Sanjana this side. In the previous video we explored old KCC. In this video we are continuing the journey with a complete tour of new KCC. So without wasting any time, let's begin. From here you can see old KCC building which we explored in detail in part 1. If you have not watched part 1 yet, so definitely check out that video after this video. As soon as you will enter, you will find this sitting area. It is a nice space where a student can sit, relax and spend their times with friends. Let's enter through the main gate of New KCC and begin our tour from the ground floor. And here we are on the ground floor. Let me give you a quick overview of the rooms and the overall layout of this floor. Now head towards the first floor. As we are going upstairs, you can also see a window in the middle of staircase area which brings in some natural sunlight. The rooms on the different floors have a similar layout and a structure. So instead of showing every room separately, I'll give you detailed room tour on the second floor. The way you can get a clear idea of the room setup and facilities without repeating same things on every floor. We have reached the second floor. Let's first have a quick look at the overall layout of this floor. So this is where I'll give you a detailed look of one of the rooms. Without wasting any time, let's go inside and see what the rooms look like and what facilities are provided. This is one of the rooms in the new KCC. Let's take a quick overall look at the room. Starting with the study area, there is a study table with an attached drawer. You can keep your books or other essentials. Next, we have almirah. The layout is quite practical with enough space for students to organize their clothes and belongings. In the room, which brings in natural sunlight and ventilation. And from here you can enjoy the greenery outside as well. The study setup also includes a chair, so you have your own dedicated space for studying and working. Coming to electrical facilities, there are 2 switches for charging along with 2 ceiling fans, 2 tube lights to keep the room properly ventilated and well illuminated. That is the complete look at the room. Now let's continue exploring the rest of the hostel. Let's move towards the basin area. Here you will find 2 basins. Right beside the basin area is the bathroom section. Find a dustbin. This is the interconnecting corridor that leads toward the old KCC, making it easy to move between 2 buildings. There is also a large window on this floor that brings in plenty of natural light and ventilation. You will find similar window on each floor. Now let's head up to the 3rd floor. Here's a look at the staircase connecting all the floors from the ground floor right up to 3rd floor. We have reached the 3rd floor. As you can see, the rooms here follow the same layout and structure as the floors below. There is also a dedicated water cooler area on this floor, so students can easily refill their bottles. Right beside it, you'll find the basin area and bathroom facilities similar to other floors. And once again, here is an interconnecting corridor. Notice these frames hanging along the walls. Now let's head towards the terrace and see what kind of view we get from the top floor. And here is the entrance to the terrace. Let's open the gate and see the view from up there. Wow, just look at this view. It had just rained, so the terrace is still wet. But the weather has cleared up now and the sun is out. The combination of the fresh greenery, blue sky and the post-rain weather makes the view really beautiful and refreshing. Let's take a complete look at the terrace. It is a nice open space where you can enjoy the fresh air and the beautiful surroundings. And with this beautiful view, we have come to an end of our new KCC tour. I hope you enjoyed exploring the hostel with me and got a clear idea of the rooms, corridors, facilities and the terrace. If you have not watched part 1 yet, where I explored old KCC, make sure to check that out as well. And if you found this tour helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Sanjana this side NIMT. If you have any question about the hostel or NIMT, drop them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.